Good morning, Monday, fun day, yeah. Today on the agenda, we are going to attach this box to the dog treat holder that needs to go out today and possibly carve the 9-inch maple sign, just a test cut, see how it looks. Gotta remake this running sign, carved a little too deep. So we're going to remake that, and we have about 25 signs on the list, something like that. So today is a carve day, and yeah, just catching up, carving and preparing black signs for this week's and next week's production. Yeah, that's about all I have. So that's what's on the agenda today. Busy, busy, busy. Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to do a special project. I just came back from Germany about 9 days ago. My dad passed away and I brought back this old German knife. I found this in the living room beside my dad's fireplace. He had a stove just like this one, and this one was laying kind of on the ground there. It's definitely old. I would say it's I would guess it belonged to my granddad, Philip Weiermüller. So this could be as old as 1920s, 1910s. I mean, you never know. There's no telling. So we're gonna polish this up and give it a new shine. Got it done, looks pretty good. Still the old style, but nice and polished. I'm pretty happy with that.